Hey everyone, so welcome to another episode of Furry Talks. Again, I'm Katie, the in-country representative for the Philippine team of Furry Philippines, and I am here with
Richa Sakarandang. I'm the Regional Recruitment Manager of Aksana School of Management.
Alright. So, first question, I'd just like to ask if you could tell us more about Aksana and what makes your institution unique, especially to Filipino students.
Okay, so Aksana School of Management is a private institution located in downtown Vancouver that offers bachelor's degree in business administration and hospitality management.
Alright, so which leads me to my next question, of course. So, ano ba yung mga career opportunities or like internship opportunities for graduates ng Aksana School of Management?
Okay, so for both programs, so for hospitality management, we have 6 months of paid internship. So for business management, it's 3 months of unpaid internship. So tinatanong pa rin ako, so bakit namin sinasabi or pinapromote pa rin yung sa business management of 3 months if it's unpaid or hindi binabayaran yung student? It's because of the industry connections that they're gonna make. So, Aksenda really values yung paghahanda ng students in the real world after they graduate. So, even though it's just 3 months, a short span of time, they still earn a work experience for the students. And for hospitality management naman, in 6 months, of course, it's more practical training and it's paid. So, talagang we have or Aksenda values yung students na student experience. So we have this success story from one of our students who started as a ground staff sa internship niya sa airport in Vancouver na na-promote, na-absorb siya. So they got, or she has an exemplary performance. So she got promoted to a manager position.
She's Filipino?
Yes, she's Filipino.
That's
So
nice.
yeah, so talagang maraming work possibilities for this started just an internship. Tapos, dahil nakita na masipag siya and she has exemplary performance, then she got promoted to and absorbed for a full-time position.
And it's also important to note na building your network is very important, especially when you're already progressing in your career.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
that's a good opportunity for the students
Yeah.
to build their network.
Yes.
Alright.
And there is an Aksenda Jobs Connect.
Okay.
So Aksenda Jobs Connect is like a job street or the caliber here in the Philippines where it's already integrated in their student portal. So hindi na sila mahihirapan to look for jobs. Of course, there are other sites to look for jobs. But ito, nasa student portal nila and they will not be scared to check if it's legitimate or not. It's because it's provided and partnered with Aksenda.
So within hand reach na lang.
Yes.
talaga.
So
Like,
talaga,
sila na lang
oo.
sasabihin lang
Yes,
yung
correct.
nila, requirements nila. So
Yes.
it's very accessible to students,
Mhm.
which is already
Yes.
like a good step towards
Yes.
progressing their
Yeah.
career. Okay, so in terms of tuition fee, do you offer like scholarships or financial aid to aspiring international students who want to study in
Yes. Yes. Specifically for Filipinos, we have a 12,000 Canadian dollars admission grant. So, hindi lang naman siya makuha ng isang bagsakan,
Yes.
of course. But it will be offered throughout the whole program, for the whole duration of the program. So, as other scholarships, of course, may requirements siya. There is just a maintained GPA
Okay.
for the student to maintain para makuha yung scholarship ng tuloy-tuloy until matapos niya. And aside from that, there is also a student support grant that's 1,500 Canadian dollars, and there is also a long-term support grant of $600. So marami pang ibang support grants that we have there, and also the program includes a private health insurance already. Kasi if you're when you go to British Columbia and Vancouver, most specifically, you need or you will be qualified for a public health insurance. So parang HMO mo as a student, you will get it for free. Pero pagdating mo doon, hindi mo kagad siya makukuha. You need to apply for it when you're there. So, what we did, we included it sa program. So, we covered 3 months. So, while they are applying for their public health insurance, covered pa din sila.
Yeah.
So, that's what, like, talagang iniisip namin yung well-being.
That's good to know. May safety net na si students
Yes,
pagdating
yes,
naman
correct.
to. And also, I think it's standard operation din naman for the scholarships na magkaroon ng parang GPA, minimum GPA.
Yes.
to be able to avail the scholarship, which I know any Filipinos can really get that.
Yeah, ang dami namin these sisters and scholarship grants na for students na talagang namimili.
Yeah, Filipinos are very hardworking,
Yes.
very resilient.
Siyempre nandun na sila, di ba?
Yes, always the opportunity.
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, so last question, why do you think should Filipinos consider studying in Axioma School of Management?
Yeah. So Axioma School of Management or the graduates of Axioma School of Management will be eligible for a postgraduate work permit for what we call PGWP for up to 3 years. With the recent changes, maraming schools ang napuntuhan yan. But Axioma is not one. Kasi we offer bachelor's degree and for our students who will graduate, may safety net sila after they graduate. So that's another 3 years after they finish their bachelor's degree. So within those 3 years, that's the legal extension for them to stay and work for full time, even though they don't have a work permit just yet. So that's a good, very, very good thing for our students and one of the best thing that we can offer for our potential students that coming from the Philippines is the PGWP because the longer you work and then the longer you study, then the higher points you will get, especially if your long-term goal is for a PR or a permanent residency in Canada. So I think that's one of the best settings of success.
Yes, totoo naman na marami talagang institutions na naapektuhan
Yeah.
since they don't offer PGWP eligible programs, but it's good to know that Axelda still offers that and still has that advantage,
Yes,
you know,
that's right.
especially for Filipino students. So I think that's all the questions we have for today.
Okay.
Thank you so
Alright.
much
Thank
for
you so much,
taking this
Casey.
time
Yeah.
to get to know our Axelda for our international students or aspiring international students.
All right, I hope you see you there. So yeah, if you are interested in applying through Axenda, please contact Uri Philippines. They will help you in every step of the way. So just contact them and we'll welcome you in Axenda. See you there.
Bye!